Hello friends and welcome back, and if you're stopping by my channel for the first time, then welcome to my happy home. I am so happy that you could stop by. In today's video I am participating in a collaboration, and this one is hosted by Daveda. You guys, if you are not familiar with her channel, you certainly have to go and check her out. I will leave a link of her channel in my description box below, so you make sure you go over to her channel and show her some love and support. I've been following her for quite some time now, and she is so extremely creative and talented when it comes to at least making faux treats and stuff like that. But she has so much creativity in her, you guys. You really need to check her out, and I'm definitely sure that you will love her channel. In this challenge, well, it's not a challenge actually, it's more of a collaboration. She asked us to join in and show everybody our lemon themed decor. She does this very frequently, just doing a collaboration where everyone can join in and show their home tour, and I thought it was a great idea, and she just recently asked me, so I thought I would join in on this one because I was ready for this one. So yeah, I have decorated my kitchen and my dining table. So if you want to see how I decorated my space for this summer season with the lemon theme, then I suggest you keep on watching. Now, before I go ahead and show you my little tour, I want to take this time to thank you, Daveda, so much for letting me participate in this collaboration. I was so happy to meet you on your live stream, and well, because I think of the time difference, I hardly, or well, never I was able to get into a live session with any of the YouTubers that I follow, and I was really happy that I could find you live then. So anyway, thank you so much for hosting this wonderful collaboration. Now let's move on to my home tour.
Before I show you the details, let me show you an overview of what my kitchen looks like right now with all the lemon themed decor. Let's start here with the space above my stove. I haven't done anything special to this space. I just added these lemon peppers. I thought they were so appropriate because they are yellow and they are called lemon peppers. So I just added these for this extra pop of yellow in this space. I love decorating this corner on my countertop, you guys. I think I already switched out this display 3 or 4 times. I am really loving how it looks right now as well. I will leave a link of the video that I did a DIY on my ready done lemonade pitcher if you haven't seen that already. And to be honest, I am really running out of lemons, so I used some real ones sliced here in this display. And for my coffee bar, I also tried different displays, you guys, and this is my recent one. And I also did a DIY on that buffalo check mason jar. I am so loving how that turned out. If you haven't seen that also, I will leave a link in the description box and a iCard up here so you can check that out. And this is what I have going on my pantry cabinet, you guys. I truly love decorating this space. I have a video coming out tomorrow showing you how I DIY'd this thrifted tray that I have. And I am so loving my cute teapot that I thrifted for just €1 and using it as a vase. I wanted to go with a more rustic touch or a more rustic feeling, so I added some wood elements to this display. And here is again a complete overview of my lemon themed kitchen decor. Just yesterday I released a video of this lemon themed tablescape, you guys. If you haven't seen that, I will leave a link in the iCard up above and in the description box below. It was a part of a collaboration that was hosted by Tracy Ann over at Secondhand Tracy towards the end, and it was the fourth and final in her lemon themed series for the summer. I want to take this time to thank you, Daveda, so much for giving me the opportunity to participate in this collaboration and showing my lemon theme decor. I really had a fun time collaborating and participating in all these challenges, you guys. Make sure you go over to the playlist and check all the other participants. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the comment section below. I really like to thank you all my friends for stopping by and taking the time to watch my video. I hope that you have enjoyed this just as much as I did. Now don't be a stranger, you have a wonderful day and I see you in my next video. Bye!